Are you tired of making multiple trips to carry groceries, camping gear, or garden supplies? The right folding cart can transform how you transport heavy loads, making life easier and more convenient. Today, we're counting down the top 5 folding carts. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have the large-capacity multi-purpose folding hand cart with impressive weight capacity options of 220, 450, or 680 pounds. This versatile cart tackles everything from shopping trips to outdoor adventures with ease. The heavy-duty construction features all-terrain swivel casters that glide smoothly over grass, gravel, sand, and pavement. What makes this cart special is its foldable design that collapses flat for easy storage in your garage or car trunk. The durable alloy frame with Oxford fabric ensures years of reliable service, while the tool-free assembly and adjustable handle height make it user-friendly for everyone. Perfect for beach days, gardening projects, or hauling groceries, this cart delivers exceptional versatility and convenience. If you want to grab this large-capacity multi-purpose folding hand cart, check the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, the heavy-duty foldable stroller wagon combines strength with incredible convenience. This versatile wagon handles demanding loads while maintaining smooth maneuverability. The robust steel frame features reinforced corners that support substantial weight without wobbling. What sets this wagon apart is its dual functionality as both a utility cart and outdoor companion. The spacious interior holds groceries, camping gear, sports equipment, or beach essentials, while mesh sides keep everything secure. Parents love the safety brake system and sturdy handle that provides control on slopes. It folds compactly in seconds with a simple mechanism. Premium ball-bearing wheels ensure quiet, effortless rolling even when fully loaded, and the removable washable liner makes cleanup easy. For families seeking durability and practical design, this is perfect. Grab this heavy-duty foldable stroller wagon by checking the link in the description and comments below. Number 3. Taking third place is the versatile 80 to 150 pounds, foldable oversized travel cart that excels at making outdoor activities easier. This smart cart features a detachable design for customizing configurations based on your needs. The weight capacity between 80 and 150 pounds makes it ideal for lighter loads while staying portable. What distinguishes this cart is its oversized cargo area that accommodates bulky items like coolers, sporting equipment, or shopping bags effortlessly. All-terrain wheels tackle grass, gravel, sand, and pavement with confidence. When not in use, it folds to a compact size, fitting easily in car trunks or closets. The design includes attachment points for securing cargo with straps, preventing shifting during transport. The ergonomic telescoping handle adjusts to your height for comfortable pulling, perfect for farmers markets, beach trips, or camping. Find the link for this foldable oversized travel cart in the description and comments below. Number 2, the runner-up at number 2 is the collapsible folding wagon cart engineered for camping and outdoor enthusiasts. This exceptional wagon combines massive cargo capacity with superior build quality that withstands outdoor adventures. The collapsible design makes setup quick with no assembly or tools required. Simply unfold when you arrive and fold when leaving. The extra-large interior accommodates camping gear, coolers, sports equipment, and picnic supplies. What makes this stand out is its track and field equipment design with reinforced support bars and heavy-duty fabric. Oversized all-terrain wheels provide stability with sealed bearings, ensuring smooth rolling. The telescoping handle extends and locks at your height. When folded, it stores easily without taking valuable space. Premium weather-resistant materials won't fade in sun and rain. Perfect for coaches, parents, and adventurers. Check the link for this collapsible folding wagon cart in the description and comments below. Number 1. Taking the top spot is the heavy-duty all-terrain folding cart with an incredible 220 to 680 pound capacity, the ultimate hauling solution. This professional cart features a reinforced steel frame and industrial fabric that handles tough jobs. Whether transporting gardening supplies, construction materials, camping equipment, or shopping, this cart rises to every challenge. The large design provides space while maintaining excellent weight distribution for stable transport. What makes this exceptional is its all-terrain capability, with heavy-duty wheels that conquer grass, gravel, sand, mud, and pavement. The design serves yard work, shopping, outdoor events, or commercial use equally well. The folding mechanism is built for reliability. When folded, it becomes compact for storage. The cushioned handle adjusts to multiple heights. This is the most capable cart available. Get this top-rated heavy-duty all-terrain folding cart by checking the link in the description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.